questions to ask your realtor if you're a buyer's agent. I'll go into foreclosures and short sales on another video, but you need to ask your realtor if they've ever worked them, because even though there's not a lot of foreclosures out there, and even though people really shouldn't be short selling their house right now because of the amount of homes that are out there and a lot of equity in a lot of these homes, have they ever worked them? Do they understand the ins and outs of it? Have they ever had to work through the HUD system or home path? Or have they had to understand trying to buy a short sale is not a quick process? I've worked many a short sale and many HUD homes and many foreclosures. Those type of transactions tend to be a little bit longer, a little bit more detailed. Are they harder? It depends. Sometimes it's just the length of time you have to deal with it and the waiting game. But if you're dealing with a home that is actually a foreclosure, it can actually go pretty quick because all you're dealing with is a bank. You're no longer dealing with the homeowner. The only issue is sometimes it's an as-is house. So make sure your realtor understands and is qualified to do those type of transactions.